Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Sudipta, your host and your friend. Today I have come up with another new video. Here we will discuss three ways to uninstall any applications from on your Mac. So three ways to uninstall applications on your Mac. Please do watch this video till the end to know all the three ways. Alright friends, before I get started, just I want to let you guys know that if you are liking my video, please consider to subscribe my channel. Then you would be able to know any new videos that I am uploading in this channel. All right, friends, let's get started with today's topic. So today we will be discussing three ways to uninstall any applications. So first, let's find out the first way. For that, you have to open this Launchpad applications on your Mac. Let's open that Launchpad. And here you will find all the applications that are installed in your Mac. Suppose you want to uninstall any of these applications. What you have to do, you just select, not that one, you need to select that thing, the applications, and keep pressing it. If you press long enough, then you will see all the applications will start wiggling. So that is the time you have to release your keypad. Then you will find out that there are some cross marks on few applications. And there are few applications where you would not see any cross mark. So if you click on this cross mark, then that applications will be uninstalled from your Mac. Now the question is why we don't have cross marks in all the applications? There are two reasons. One, maybe these applications you cannot delete. These applications probably are installed while you have installed your Mac OS. For example, Time Machine, Front Book, Chase. These all are the applications which are installed when you have installed your Mac OS. So that's why you cannot uninstall this application. But there are few applications like the install Mac OS, right? And maybe this Google Hangout, Google Chrome, or Zoom. You are not able to see this cross mark because you have not installed it using App Store. So you probably have gone to the website of Google Chrome and then you have downloaded the installer directly from that website, and then you have installed it in your Mac. So that's why, since you have not installed through your App Store, this App Store, so Mac OS is not allowing to uninstall using this way. All right. So this is our first way. In this way, you can uninstall any applications which you have installed via App Store. All right, clear? Now let's go to our second way. Okay. So in case of second way, what you have to open is just the Finder. All right. And here you will see this application folder. And inside application folder, you will find all the applications that you have installed on your Mac. For example, we are discussing about MKPlayer. If I want to uninstall MKPlayer, I just simply right click on MKPlayer and then click on this option, move to bin. So if I do that, the application will be uninstalled and it will be deleted from your Mac and it will move to your bin. So bin is like this one. So here you can then empty your bin at any time. So all the files will be deleted from your bin as well. So if you do that, then next time you will not be able to see MKPlayer on your applications. In this way, you can uninstall both types of applications. The applications which you have installed via App Store, you can delete that. The applications that you have installed directly by this downloading the installer from the website, those applications can also be deleted using this way. So we have discussed two ways to uninstall applications from Mac. Now in both these two ways, there is only one issue, and that issue is that you will be able to uninstall only the exe files, what we said, application files. But apart from this application file, there are few files which gets created while you install any application. Those files remains in either library folder or in the system folders. Sometimes the size of those files could be huge, especially in case of any video editor applications, right? And sometimes it could be just very tiny size, and you might ignore those files. But you must know how to uninstall totally all the files, whatever files that are being copied or created with MKPlayer or any software. You have to delete or uninstall all the files. So in this third way, we would know how you can uninstall or clear all the files of any application. All right, let's go ahead. So we will be trying with, let's say, MK Player. What you have to do is you just click on this search button with MK Player. Now you see there are many files on MK Players, and you have to delete all these files. Now again, there could be few more files in the system folder. System files are not present in this list. So how you can do that? Just click on this plus button on the right top, just beside save. Click on that plus button, and then here you will get one options where you would see system files. If you are doing it for the first time, you might not see the system file option. In that case, you have to go to other. Then here you can search system, and here you have to just check it. In your case, it will be unchecked. You have to just check it and then press OK. Once you do that, your system file option will be visible in this list. Then you just select system files. By default, system files are not included in this search. So you have to manually include system files as well. So I am going to select our included option. So if I select it, in my case for MK Player, there are no files, no system files present. So the count is same. But there could be few applications where there might be some files in the system files. Those files will also be listed in this way. Now simply you will select all the files and then right click, move to bin. That's it. So all the files that are present for any applications on your Mac will automatically be cleared up or be deleted or uninstalled from your Mac. So this way we can delete all the files. So we have discussed 3 ways how you can delete all the applications from your Mac. Which one do you like? Please let me know in the comment section. So now I will go ahead and move to bin. All right, let's see. Okay, so we got one issue, that is MK Player can't be moved because it is open. Yeah, it is already open. I'll just need to close it, and then again I will just try to move it to bin. You'll ask for your password, and it's gone. So you will not see MK Player now on your. You cannot open MK Player because it is in bin. And now you can clear up your bin as well. Let me clear my bin, empty bin. So empty bin. All right. I still see MK Player on my dock. I need to find out why it is still there. Maybe something is still missing. Let me find out that. I don't see it here. Okay. But here I can still see remove from dock. Now it's gone. Okay. That's it. Thank you for watching my video. Tata.